Zendesk tutorial and review for beginners. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review on the zendesk.com and I'm going to show you how you can start with Zendesk and what are some features that you need to know about. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, what is Zendesk? Zendesk is basically a customer service software. You can improve your sales, you can improve your CRM if you have a business. Then it is a really great platform for you to try, and you can basically get all your marketing, all your services and everything done in a really great manner on Zendesk. So basically, it is a champion of customer service. Zendesk makes customer service better. We build software to meet customer needs, set your team up for success, and keep your business in sync. So this is what Zendesk do. It automates all of your basically customer service needs, and you can basically have really good customer experience for yourself on your platform. So what are some other things? So what you need to do is you have to basically go onto your web browser, open zendesk.com, and this is their homepage. Now you can see, you can take a quick tour, you can become an industry leader and everything, and where good conversations become great experiences. Give the best customer support, customize your customer experience, and like they have a lot of stuff. So let's take a look at their website. First of all, they have your products. What do you want to use Zendesk for? Zendesk for service, Sunshine platform, Zendesk for sales, and they have a marketplace. In the marketplace, they have their apps, integrations, and partners. And for service, they have your complete service solution, and you have your sales solution into the sales platform. So you can choose whatever you want. Then you have pricing. There are two kinds of pricing. One is for Zendesk for service and Zendesk for sales. They have different pricing plans. Then you have your solutions. If you have an enterprise, they will give you a solution for that. If you want to basically enhance your employee experience, you can just go on and choose this. Small and medium businesses are going to be on this one. Startups are going to be on this one. Industries and conversational CRM. You can also have a demo of the whole platform from this option, and they have their resources, they have blogs, they have training and certification community and everything. So what you can do is you can just click on this option right here and you can start your free trial. But before that, let me give you a pricing overview of the whole for service and for sales as well. So let's go on to this is pricing for Zendesk service. Okay, so here you can see this is basically the pricing plan for the sales, and this is basically a team plan which is for $19 per month, and you can get all these features. And the other one is for $49 per month, and the professional plan is for $99 per month. And as you can see the list of features, you have your customizable sales pipeline up to 2, email integration, calendar integration, task and appointment setting, document storage is 2 GB per user, call tracking, offline mobile access, pre-built sales dashboard and everything. And you get a lot more features in the growth plan, which is for $49, and you have basically sales forecasting, advanced activity reports, and 1,000 engagement credits per user per month, and 25 prospecting credits per user per month. And you get even more features for the plan which is for $99. So these are the 3 plans that are available. And then you have a Zendesk suite which starts at $49 per month and foundational support only, and you can also see pricing for that as well. Now they also have different plans for the service, Zendesk service, and their pricing plans are something like that. So there are 2 kinds of plans for everyone and plans for enterprises. So the plans for everyone starts with $49 per month. The suite team, then you have a suite growth and suite professional. Suite growth is for $79 and suite professional is for $99. So you can see all of these features which are available in all of these different platforms. And then you have the plans for enterprises, and these include suite enterprise, and it gets even more powerful. So suite enterprise is for $150, and these are all the features that are available. And then you have it gets even more powerful, which is for $215, and you can talk to sales and have a customized plan for yourself if you have a really big business. So what we're going to do today is we're going to start a free trial, and I'm going to show you how it's done and what you can do on Zendesk, what is basically so good about this specific platform that you need to know. Okay, so now first of all you need to basically enter your work email. I'm just going to add my normal email because I don't have a work email for myself, but if you have, then you must add that specific email and you can get started with Zendesk. I'm just going to add my regular email, click on next. Then you have your first name, last name and phone number. I'm just going to add all of that. Okay, so now you have to add in a company name. I'm just going to, let's say my company name is Warehouse. Then you have to add a number of employees. I'm going going to add 129, and then you have your what are you solving for. Manage customer service requests, manage and engage sale leads, and both of the above. And just let's say both of the above. And then you have your select a language for your Zendesk site. It's English, and now you have to create a password. And I'm just going to quickly do that. So basically I can complete my registration, and I'm going to complete trial sign up. Okay, so great. Now please verify your email. You have to open your Gmail and you have to verify it. I'm just going to quickly do that and I'll get back to you guys. So now you have to add in some other details, improve your trial experience. Have you ever set up a customer support solution? No, I'm new to this. When do you plan to launch? As soon as possible. How many agents will use Zendesk? 1 to 3. How do you customers contact you? Let's say I have chat, or let's say okay, chat is good, and I'm going to continue. It is basically, it will help you ease up the whole process of having to set up all your customer service solutions and everything. You can do that by yourself as well, but it is good if you ask the help from this platform, because they're going to guide you in a really great manner. So first of all, you have to jump in and try Zendesk Suite. You have your customer service, unify all channels, add messaging and live chat, design a help center team, and learn how to add contact, improve operations, and you can basically increase agent productivity, and you can pull together all your business apps and integrations into one place. So let me show you. This is a getting started a checklist. You have your account, your overview, customer support channels, your team, ticketing system, agent productivity, messaging and live chat, help center, sales CRM, reporting and analytics, apps and integrations, and everything. So you can basically come on and do all of these stuff and everything. Now what else you can do is you can just go onto your dashboard and you can take a look on everything that's been going on on your on your Zendesk. Open tickets, this is your group. Open ticket statistics, you have your tickets ID, subjective, and everything. And right here you have your home, you have your views, you have your customers, you have your organizations, your reporting, and your admin. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go on to get started, and I'm going to basically, this is my customer support channels. See how Zendesk Suite works. It's ready to go with these essential elements. You can add in your email, messaging, and live chat, and this is basically your voice and help center. So let's say I'm going to set up my help center. I'm going to show you how I can do that. Design your help center. Okay, so these are basically some templates that are available for you. These are the help center stuff. You can choose this or this or this or this. So welcome to plus support, and you can basically go on and customize them later on. So it is really good if you design your own help center, because help centers are something that people look forward to when they are having some kind of difficulty using your platform. So you need to provide a help center to your customers where they can contact you, and you have to add that customer service support 24/7. So no matter what's the time when they are contacting you, you at least give them some reply. You can add in FAQs in your help center, and you can add different stuff. I'm just going to, let's say I want to continue with this template right here. You can see what you can add. Getting started, user guides, you can add different FAQs, you can add different things, some definite products. You can basically go on and add a whole demo of your website, like what are your products and how you can use them. You can add that tutorials on your help center, so that if a person is experiencing some difficulty in getting started, they can just go on and see that specific video, and they don't have to go on and basically ask you about the whole process. You have already provided the whole process. So this is what help center does. Okay, so this is basically, these are start with the Zendesk standard themes, or you can buy different themes from Zendesk as well. I'm using a free trial version right now, so that's I will be having some limited things right here. But let's say I had a theme, the standard theme, so I'm just getting started with that. Now you can customize my help center, choose or import theme, then change the colors, fonts, and images to match your brand, and you can also publish to finalize your design. And okay, next. That is great, that is good. Now what I'm going to do is, you can see this is the help center theme that I have right now. This is the search bar. Okay, so here you have your basic theme. You have your recent activity, announcement, FAQs, and FAQ, general discussion, and this is basically your website. You can change this design or everything. Now you have your colors. If you want to change colors, just go on brand color, brand text, and you can change the color of everything. You have your fonts. You can change the fonts of everything. You have images if you want to change the image. This is the hero home hero image. If you want to change it, you can just go on and upload any image that you want. So here, this is basically the template that they have provided you, and you can change everything that that you want in here. You can see you have your search settings. So you have, first of all, your colors. If you want to change any color that you want, like for example, this is the brand text color. If I want to change that from white to, let's say I want to switch this color to, I want to be red, so it is going to change all the colors that is actually white into red. So this is how you can do it. You can change your brand text color. Then your text color is going to be is this. You can change it as well, the link color. Then you have your fonts. If you want to change the fonts, you can just go on and change that. Then you have your logos. This is the brand logo that they have added. If you want to change that, you can just replace it. Then if you want to change this picture, you can just go on to images and you can change this image and all of the other images that has been added into the template. You can just go on and replace them. Your search settings and everything is available right here, and you can basically customize it to however you want and make your own help center just as simply as that. So after you have created it, you can publish it, and it will be basically integrated with whatever website that you have integrated on your Zendesk. For in the apps and integrations, you can add all your websites that you have. Like if you have a Shopify store, if you have a WordPress website, you can just go and integrate that. And whenever a person on that specific website asks for help and looks for a help center, they will land on this help center and they will be given all the help they want regarding the needs that they want to be fulfilled from your website. So this is going to increase the whole customer experience for yourself, and also going to build a trust in the customers about your company, about your service. That specific website or that specific sellers are available whenever they want to be they want some help or they want some guidance. So it's basically going to really look really good, and it is going to help a lot in building a very good audience for your whole your whole platform. Then you can just go on to your getting started, and you can do all of this. You can add ticketing system, you can add agent productivity, and like you can take a look at all of your analytics, and here you can see reveal opportunities through data. This is a 36% faster resolution of tickets, 79% reduction in customer wait time, and 4 times volume of customer requests solved. So this was it for today's video, guys. You can I hope you found it helpful. If you have any query, you can just comment it down in the comment section below, and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.